Hello dear students, today we will take the last topic of this combustion and flame, that is burning of fuel. That is burning of fuel leads to harmful products. Harmful products. Harmful products. As we all know that the fuels, the different types of fuel, that is cow dung is there, wood is there, charcoal is there, coal is there, petrol is there, LPG is there. These all types of fuels, when they are burned, they leave lot of these unburnt substances, and these substances usually are made of carbon particles, are made of carbon. Like for example, smoke, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is produced, or when we burn the fuel in complete combustion, it can lead to carbon monoxide, CO. What is CO? It is carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, these are all the harmful substances which pollute our environment, or you can say atmosphere. And with the release of these harmful substances, these all get released from the burning of these fuels. Carbon monoxide is released from the unburnt coal. That is why this carbon monoxide, if inhaled, it can cause death to a person. That is why we should not sleep in a closed room where the carbon monoxide releasing these objects are there, like these these heating instruments which we are present in our home, in which the coal burns. Now carbon dioxide is also another dangerous thing. It can pollute our atmosphere. It can cause different things to our atmosphere. It can cause global warming. It can cause global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is the increase in average temperature, over the surface of Earth. This carbon dioxide, it causes increase in the average temperature. The average temperature of Earth is 14.5 degrees Celsius. If it is the average temperature, that means different locations have different types of temperature. If we put them together and we will make the average temperature, it is 14.5 degrees centigrade. If more and more pollutants are there and this carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, it causes global warming. That means the average temperature on the Earth will get increased. So what will happen with that? The glaciers or ice caps, you can say, glaciers, they will melt. When the glaciers will melt, they release lot of water, and the sea level will rise. With the sea level, when the sea level will rise, the floods will occur. And the coastal areas, they get affected with the flood and may get under the water. These another is acid rain. For example, acid rain, when this carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere, here water is also present, and it reacts with the water vapors in the form of vapors. It will form carbonic acid. that is these are the acids or nitrous oxides, nitrous oxides. These are also released from burning fossil fuels. Sulfur dioxide, SO2, and nitrous oxides, NO, when they get combined with water in the atmosphere, they form the nitric acid HNO3, and it forms sulfuric acid H2SO4. And these acids, they are present in the atmosphere. When the rain comes down, they fall along with the rain. That means it causes acid rain. What does the acid rain do? Acid rain, it damages our monuments, it reduces our crop yield, it damages our crops. These or you can say marble cancer is caused by the acid rain. You might have heard or seen that the Taj Mahal has less shine than before due to the pollutants in the Agra, like these, because acid rain is caused by these pollutants. It was all about the harmful products which are released by these substances or burning of fossil fuels or fuels. So, and it affects our environment. We should, what are the these solutions to it? What are the solutions to it? There are different solutions. Number one, we have to use alternative sources of energy. Alternative source, that means solar energy. We have to use chimneys, so that this unburnt these substances, they get trapped inside this. We have to use modern technology, so that less these substances or harmful products are released. And these are plant more and more trees, so that the trees purify air. That is what these are the solutions to these substances. It was the end of the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.